Inspired you for this, or what inspired you for this, and what do you feel about the website which you're launching, and any message you like to give to people?
You want me to hold this? My name is Meera Khanna, and I joined the Guild for Service almost, I would say, 10 years back. And one of the reasons that I joined the Guild was around that time I was writing on gender-based issues and socialist issues. So it became a logical extension to join the NGO movement. And of course, the other reason is if you are in a position where you can give back to society, something that you've taken from it, and if you can give some part of your time to help to make the world a more just place, then I think one should do it. And that was the reason I joined the Guild for Service, and I've never looked back after that, because the journey with the Guild for Service has taken me to work with the widows of Vrindavan, to the self-help groups in Najafgarh, to vocational training centers in Savai Madhopur, to the riot-affected widows in Godhra, and something which is very passionate to my heart is the cause of the militancy-affected women and children in Jammu and Kashmir. We run homes in Jammu and Kashmir and in Godhra and in Vrindavan, and vocational training centers in Savai Madhopur and Najafgarh. And it has been a satisfying journey. It has been satisfying not so much in the sense that you see tangible effect of your work immediately, because I think in social work or developmental work, you do the work and then just forget it, because the ripple effect of the change that you're trying to make probably takes a long time. But satisfaction does come in other little forms, or when a widow who was actually begging on the streets of Vrindavan suddenly gets trained into auxiliary as an auxiliary nurse and is able to earn, say, 250 or 300 rupees per day, the confidence of her gait, that gives you satisfaction. Or the satisfaction of a young orphan in Kashmir who had the misfortune to lose both her parents, when she studies and then writes a small essay on what her dreams are and what she would like to do as part of this great country, that gives you satisfaction. So it's a daily, I think it's a daily routine of facing crisis and facing satisfaction, so it is satisfying. The other part of it is this particular website. Well, I think this is a great effort by Cisco, because it brings two important elements in developmental work together. The NGOs, who are actually the grassroots workers, and the corporate houses and funding agencies who have the resources and the vision of a new emerging India. So I think if these two elements get together on a common platform, we can, I think we can achieve a lot.